In this video I will show you that you can make pizza for $1 or euro or pound, you get it. I skipped the most expensive products altogether. No big brands tomatoes, no San Marzano, no high quality fior di latte. Who cares? It will be pizza anyway, right? And don't even make me start with flour. I bought this good old 00 flour. 1 kilo, just 59 euro cents. What harm could it do? Well, no harm for sure, but this is where the problems come. I will explain while I prepare the dough. For now, let's calculate precisely how much this pizza will cost me. I use this free tool. Get the link in the description. It's just a protected page on my website, and I will give you the password at some point during this video, so watch carefully. Let's work on the table now. Just do it. Now I'll be making the dough. Then, while it rises, I will open the peeled tomatoes and the mozzarella so we can have a little look together. I have already decided the recipe to use. You know that the flour is the most important ingredient and we have to adapt the formula, of course, to the kind of product we're after, but especially to the quality of the flour itself. In particular, we are always aware of the protein content. Here it is. In this case it's 10%, and this tells me that a long fermentation is not really on the table. Unlike the flour itself, we cannot do long fermentation because this flour would hardly stand it and it would become too weak too soon. Now, this is not really a recipe video, so I won't dive into details, and I will just write the doses in the description just for reference. My goal today will be for the dough to be ready in anything around 3 to 4 hours. You can consider this as an alternative to my same-day dough, which is in this video here at the corner. In the meantime, we can open this tomato can. I must say they smell really good and really tomatoey. The juice is nice and thick. I was expecting something very runny just because of the low price point. Let's try it. A bit too much on the acidic side, but overall, for the price, I think it's really good. Now let's see what's the matter with this mozzarella. Honestly, this looks like the standard mozzarella I can find in the supermarket. It's quite firm, to be honest. Well, like a good quality mozzarella cries. Once you squash it, you should see a drop of milky water. I would say that this is not the case. I'm just breaking it, but he's not crying. Quite plain tasting, milky tasting, but honestly it's not bad at all. Again, for the price point, I would say that this is a good value for money. I can tell that the gluten is very weak. The dough has some tears, and you already noticed that it's sticky, even though it's not very hydrated. This is because of the low protein content. Whatever. Let's put it back in the bowl so it can rise. Like I said, the goal is 3 hours or so. After not even 3 hours, the dough is really running, as you can see. The day turned out way warmer than expected. It's about 25, 26 degrees today. It's November and the temperature is so high. Welcome to Calabria. By the way, let's stretch and bake this pizza. The tomato is already here. I've already measured 100 grams. And the mozzarella is ready as well. Okay, what can I say? It doesn't look really good. The mozzarella completely ripped. In Italian we say is stracciata, which means ripped. It didn't melt quite nicely, it just destroyed. The cornicione didn't pump that much, you can say. However, the consistency is nice. No, many people likes it. Crispy and crunchy. It's not the best I ever made. It's not the worst either. And if we consider that I have spent around €1 to make this pizza, well, I will not start today. So I will say that I'm pretty happy with the result. I'd love you to do the same experiment, and perhaps you can come back to this video and share your thought in the comments down here. See you later. Ciao!